girls are supposed to meet us here any minute. Hey, look. Huh. Let's get some lunch and surprise them with a picnic.
Yeah! I'll be right with you fellers in a minute. Hey, can't you clowns read?
What? Huh?
The sign on the door says, no shirt, no shoes, no service. I'm trying to run a classy establishment here.
Now what do we do?
I know. Hey, give me your shirt.
Give me your shoes.
Okay, look, let's team up. We'll make one outfit, and one of us will go in and get carry-out for everyone. Deal?
But who gets to go in?
Draw straws.
Okay, draw. All right, give 'em up.
Hey, knock it off!
Good afternoon. What can I get you, sir?
I'm gonna get some onion rings, maybe curly fries, and let's see. Look at those hot buns!
Yeah. I like to rub them buns with olive oil so they don't get burnt.
You're a riot. Hurry up!
Island breeze,
Oh, no.
take my message across the sea to the one I love, the one I'm dreaming of. Swing.
I can't let them see me like this. No.
That's not funny.
The boys are supposed to meet us right here.
I'm sure they're around here somewhere.
Yoo-hoo! Mickey!
Woo!
How'd you like to pay for that?
Try it.
Got ID?
Sure.
What are you clowning me?
What?
That ain't you. And say it!
Mickey!
Hey, girls. Care for a picnic?
Donald?
Touch.
Oh, my goose down. You're naked in public. What is wrong with you? Stop. I'm too embarrassed to even be seen with you. Now, about that picnic.
Boy, some people ain't got no class.